quiet nook one moonlit night, a leprechaun I saw, with a scarlet cap and a coat of green, a small flask at his side. Tip-tap-tap went his little hammer on a tiny shoe, and I smiled to think of his hidden gold, while the fairy smiled there too. With a gentle step and a beating heart, I slowly wandered near. There was mischief in his laughing face, and a sparkle bright and clear. He sang so soft in a tiny voice as he drank the mountain dew, and I thought at last he was mine to catch, but the fairy laughed there too. Then quick as a flash I caught the elf, "Your magic purse." I cried, "My purse," said he, "is in the hand of the lady at your side." I turned away. For a single glance he vanished out of view, and I laughed to think how I'd been fooled, and the fairy laughed there too.